Hello, welcome to some roads. Today, guys, I woken up with this heavy snow. The snowstorms hit Vienna with a lot of force. Actually, it was my first time to see this. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I. This is the first several onstand of the winter. Yeah, I think the temperature system from here and Italy is being heavy. Yeah, and the snow is full, which could cause traffic interruption. This Friday morning, guys, it was really so hectic. I was moving home, heading to work, and guys, from home, that's wash days. It was really, really covered with white. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Oh my god, oh my god. So I was rushing. I was actually remaining with 6 minutes reaching to the bus station. And then I had to rush, and I could always walk. Like, I, I was rushing heading to the bus station. And actually, I was remaining with 6 minutes. It's not that like the usual time I used to walk, like walking when I'm hurrying a lot, but this time around, I was so careful, like for me not to fall down. All the cars were like covered with snow. This is so hectic. I love the fact that this is the first year of Feb. Like the snow to be like this. This is already in January, and I wonder, I wonder in Feb. Oh, it's unbelievable. I think everyone is shocked, like, why Feb? Why Feb? I think it is the change of the weather as well. Yeah, and this is how life changes every now and then. You never know what tomorrow will be, but unfortunately, see, all the trees are occupied, everything is occupied. Where you're walking through is really occupied, all the cars are occupied. Like, yeah, I'm just like, what is this? And sometimes like, yeah, it's really so wow. Yeah, this is always in this is always in January, but today it came so much in February is really occupied. So even the cars have to be with the tires for the winters. Yeah, and I love the fact that this experience, I'm loving it. I really love every experience, the change of the weather and everything that is going around. But yeah, I was really so hard to catch up the bus, but I think I finally catch up with the bus. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, but I was walking, and definitely, yeah, I reached at the station and the bus is here already. It was really so okay for me to catch up with the bus. Yes. So I was rolling up with the bus, but everywhere was covered. Everywhere was guys covered. And I love the fact that, yeah, I reached at the station, and yeah, where I was going, those restaurant chairs outside were also covered. The bicycles, see, the bikes were also covered as well. All the trees were also covered. So I decided to go to the park, and a lot of people were there skiing, and I love how people really do skiing. So I had to go there and do some moments with the skiing. Yeah, and I love it. I think it's really so nice. To those people who love skiing, I told you this is my second stuff to do, like hobby, skiing. I would love to learn more of skiing, yes. But soon my video is coming for skiing, but yeah, I love how kids really do that. Yeah, and soon I'm trying that. So it was really a moment with seeing people skiing, yeah. And for me to watch them, it was really so nice. Everywhere was really covered, and that is the station for the Strassenbahn. So yeah, so we have to roll up the bus again and then come back after work. Yeah, after work we had to come back. People were skiing, that was really so a moment. Yes, and all the cars were really covered up with snow. Peace and love.